Third place, Andrew Bauer. Come on now, let her roll, big boy. Hell, this party guys more around like this. Where's Macaroni at? Hell, John Deere can hang in there like that on those hills, can it, Larry? Hell yeah, Larry, you farm around like that, don't you? There you go. What do you think about this customer, George? I tell you what, that old girl's hands were pretty good. Well, you know, around that old one pretty easy. Look at him go. Oh, one too many. Get to you going around. Hell, let's just drive over that tire. It don't matter. Get it out of the way. They need to move it later anyway. Come on, let her go, let her hop. You can do it. That old hander will take care of it. And down. Coming around the bend over here. Comes to this left one. That old girl handles good on the corner. Don't lose your rear end. Uh-oh. And up. And he's level anyway. There you go. You like the combine, boys. Let him know it. Look at that. Oh, boy. I tell you what, I'm really surprised that Scotty Potty survived the whole thing. Come on there. Run her through it. Now we may have a ball like this year. You have to bring your board like that.